Algebraic expressions. First of all, we should know about what are constants and variables. Constants: a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Variable: a symbol which takes various numerical values is known as a variable. For example, the perimeter of a square of side is known as P is equal to 4 into S. Here 4 is called constant and P and S are called variables. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all of the four fundamental operations. Plus, minus, into and division is called an algebraic expressions. Examples: 3x square plus 2y minus 3, a plus b minus 4c. Next one is types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial, an algebraic expression which contains only one term is called monomial. For example, 5x, 2xy and minus 7 are called monomials. Next one is binomials, an algebraic expression containing two terms is called a binomial. Example: 2a plus 3b, 8 minus 3x and x square minus 4xy square are called binomials. The next one is trinomials, an algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. Examples: a plus 2b plus 5c, x plus 2y minus 3z and x cube minus y cube minus z cube are called trinomials. Next one and the last one is quadrinomials, an algebraic expression containing four terms is known as a quadrinomial. Example: x plus y plus z minus 5 and x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz are called quadrinomials. Thank you.